Job number 21115. This is the Sammamish View Apartments in Sammamish. This is for Essex Property Trust. David McMillan is our contact, and he gave us a detailed request for proposal with scope of work, summary, and some details, and I saved it all to Google Drive. But that includes 3 different site maps that have the asphalt and curbing marked off on the drawings, which is kind of nice. One of the things on here is the specific scope requirements, and he gives all the footages for everything except for the striping, and I have that information. So let's talk about the asphalt. There's 18 locations, but as you can see on some of these, there's more than one measurement. Like on area number 1, it's 36 by 10 and 18 by 10. Then you get down on like 6 and 7 and 5, and you've got multiple measurements. And then on note number 18, there's 3 speed bumps that are 20 foot by 2 foot on each one. So you have to include 20 foot by 2 foot on that. What he did in the total footage, though, on the asphalt remove and replace is he's got 8,263 square feet, and then he also has asphalt sidewalk remove and replace, which is 571 square feet. So on this large 8,263 square foot, I've got all the quantities there, and this is what it looks like on the map. You've got all the locations on this map marked. Those 3 locations, it says it's right there. The 10 by 10 and the 8 by 8 right there. And then you've got a 24 by 24, which is right there. So they're all marked. I wasn't able to go out to the job site because there's snow on the ground, and he wants this bid by next week. So you have an asphalt sheet that shows all those. Then you've got this sidewalk, asphalt sidewalk, that's 571 square feet, and you've got 5 locations. Okay, and those are the measurements. These are all 3-inch depth, by the way, for this and for this. Here's the location. Here's those 5 locations for sidewalk, and it says sidewalk on there. These are all supposed to be asphalt sidewalks. So those are the locations for that. Okay. Again, that's saved to Google Drive. And then you have curb R&R. 6 by 8 curb R&R, 148 total feet. There's 8 locations, and all marked on the map. For instance, the 4th one's pointing out right there. 3rd one's right there. 2nd one's right there. 1st one's on the corner. So it's marked off really well. Save to Google Drive. Then you've got parking lot, seal coat, and stripe. There's 134 square feet of seal coat. They want 2 coats. It says to do squeegee first coat and spray the second, but unless we have a buggy that we're using, we'll have to squeegee all the edging and then do spray coats on the other 2, or for the 2 coats. It says first coat, mechanical squeegee base coat. So they're really hoping that we could use a seal coat buggy and then spray the 2nd coat. Okay. As far as let me move to the striping. Okay, so on the stalls, there's 294 stalls, 18 foot long, 500 lineal feet of crosshatch, that's white, 6 ADA stencils with blue background, 1,300 lineal feet of painted curb, and then 160 lineal feet of yellow painted speed bumps. That's 160 feet by 2 feet, by the way, on that. Okay. Looking at this map, you've got the entrance that comes in, and right about here is where the seal coat would start and carry on right through all of this. You're looking at 4 phases for seal coat and striping. And then on the asphalt, it's probably going to be a couple days on the asphalt, maybe 3 even, because of how many locations. And then on the on that other asphalt, you probably got another 2 days on that. So Any questions, let me know. This bid is due by the 15th next week, so it'd be nice to get it to them a little early and ask them some questions. As far as staging goes, we have this whole entrance in here where we can use for staging. There's plenty of room on the entrance coming into for staging when we do asphalt work in there and curb repairs.